Before I started, I wanted to show how my face looked with makeup on. Using cotton rounds, I gently wiped around my eyes, nose, forehead, cheeks, and mouth. This allowed me to remove my makeup before washing my face. Next, I used the Cleanse Plus Restore Facial Cleanser. I applied a small amount to my hand to show its lightweight gel texture. Then I spread it over my face and gently massaged my forehead, cheeks, nose, and jawline. The gel moved easily across my skin without the need for aggressive rubbing. After massaging my entire face, I rinsed thoroughly with water until the cleanser was completely removed. Then I gently patted my skin dry with a clean towel instead of rubbing it. At the end, I checked the areas around my eyes, cheeks, forehead, and jawline. My skin felt clean and comfortable, without the tight feeling that some cleansers can leave behind.